how you can deactivate a WordPress plugin. So if a plugin is causing issues on your site or you don't need it running anymore, deactivating it is quick and it doesn't delete anything. You can always reactivate it in the future. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then on the left go to plugins. Find your installed plugins, they are right here, and find the plugin you want to deactivate and click deactivate right below. So I want to deactivate this plugin. This one is already deactivated, so I'm going to activate it again. So if you click it, that's all you need to do in order to deactivate it, and the plugin stops running immediately. All the plugins data and settings are kept. If you have a lot of plugins and want to deactivate several at once, check the boxes next to the plugin, then use the bulk action, here the drop down menu, click deactivate and hit apply, and all selected plugins gonna be deactivated. So that's how you can deactivate the plugin in your WordPress. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.